Today we're talking about vegan and natural skincare, plus there's a giveaway. Hi, it's Anne from Veggie Magnifique, your go-to for holistic wellness and vegan lifestyle. And today I'm very excited to do an unboxing with you from the Dutch Health Store. So I have this box from the Dutch Health Store filled with goodies, and we're going to open it together and discover what's in here. There's also going to be a giveaway. Yay! So stay tuned to the end where I will explain how to enter the giveaway. Okay, let's open the package and see what kind of vegan and natural goodies we've got. Okay, we're open. I'm so excited. So let me just tell you something really quick. So the Dutch Health Store is probably one of my favorite shops in Europe because they are so committed to having natural and organic and many vegan products. Okay. Oh, they're all nicely wrapped. What is this? Wilma is the head of Dutch Health Store and she is delightful. Oh, wow. Dearest Anne, thank you so much. Enjoy all of these gorgeous projects and have a great summertime. With love, Wilma. I gotta say, I love these small companies because it's really personal, because it's like, I know the woman who runs the shop. It makes me feel good supporting this business because it's small, you know, it's like not like anonymous. Okay. Ooh. Let's see. Smells amazing. It's like Christmas. Ooh. Jasmine julep petal perfume. That's why it smelled so good. Feel jubilant as you inhale this joyous floral fantasia. Bring in feelings of spring as bliss sings from your heart with this buoyant boutique of jasmine sabok. Ooh, I gotta say, Living Libations, you rock my world. It smells amazing. If you like jasmine tea, you might want to bathe in this one. Okay, what else do we got? Oh, yummy! This is Delicio, so I love this brand. And this is a hyaluronic acid serum for cell hydration. Oh, fantastic. And again, really, really pure ingredients. I don't really want to put anything on my body that has a bunch of weird ingredients, and so that's why I'm so picky about my products, my skincare products. Ooh, I've never tried this before. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I love this. Aloe vera. If you're noticing a different environment, it's because I'm in my parents' house. Everybody loves the sunshine with zinc. Yes! So I'm going to be in the sun a lot this summer, and so I wanted a healthy sunscreen. If you guys are interested in more content about how to protect your skin naturally from the sun, let me know. But I'm gonna start by protecting it with Living Libations, which is just... Okay, I changed cameras, my other camera died. So this, everybody loves the sunshine with zinc. I cannot wait to try because, again, I love Living Libations and protecting my skin. This is another sun care product. Everyone loves the sunshine with zinc beach balm. Ooh, skin protection, almost like a chapstick for your body. I'm going to be doing a fair amount of traveling and in warm weather, so I'm set. Yay! And this, I'm so excited to try as well. This is a cream stick eyeshadow in Celestial Gold, because I don't know if you noticed, but I like gold. Oh yeah. That's perfect for summer. It's very like shimmery, so you could just kind of be a beach babe. What's this? See, Buckthorn Anti-aging cleanser from Delicioso. This looks awesome. Aloe vera, rose hip seed oil, sea buckthorn. There's like 5 ingredients. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Vanilla, best skin ever. Oh, I'm so happy. This hand is going to be really moisturized by the end of this video. Best Skin Ever is one of the Living Libations go-to products. So this you can use in a million different ways. You can go crazy. You can use it, as a oil cleanser. You can use it to moisturize, obviously. I'm going to use it in every which way. Ooh, what's this? Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Aloha Essences Nai Ah. Wow, I don't speak this language. What is this? This looks really beautiful. It's in glass, but I have to get this translated to tell you what it is. Delfin spielen Freiheit. Spray für Aura i sin mit Hawaii Blütenessence. My favorite toothbrush. This one is a Ionic toothbrush, and I don't know if I've spoken about this before, but it's my favorite go-to super toothbrush. And it gets your teeth so clean, and it helps to kind of remove the plaque, which is what we want in a toothbrush. Highly recommend this toothbrush. Absolutely favorite toothbrush. Ooh, pink. Bulgarian rose! I love Bulgarian rose. This is so exciting. Artisan Bulgarian rose soap. That is so yummy. So this is Delicioso as well. I'm so excited to try this. I didn't even know this existed. Thank you, Wilma. What a treat. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. iSun. I haven't tried any of iSun's products yet, so I will be giving you a report. This is an after sun oil, which is perfect for the summer. It is a body moisturizer, light skin soother, wild crafted, organic, and natural. Ooh. Let's open it, shall we? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. By the way, please let me know in the comments below how you feel about these brands and products. I'd love your feedback as I, continue my search for the finest organic, natural, vegan skincare products. You are the sun, eternal light, eternal beauty. Why, thank you, box. So, the last thing you guys will be quite interested in because dun-dun-dun, it's the giveaway! Chaga Wild Crafted Tonic Elixir. So let me just tell you about this. This is a new product that they have at the Dutch Health Store, so we wanted to share it with the world. It's vegan, gluten-free, free of fillers, preservative-free, and yum, it says. So this is our wild harvested Siberian chaga is collected sustainably at the peak of its medicinal potency. Chaga's adaptogen properties render it a supreme household addition. Chaga is a longevity tonic, a preventative tonic, and a restorative tonic. Chaga is a superior defense against adrenal exhaustion, really important. And the beauty of this product is that it is from my home state, Everett, Washington. That is crazy. Amazing. So this is our giveaway today. So if you would like to win this amazing wildcrafted chaga, which by the way, definitely do some research on adaptogens. They're so powerful for your body and your hormonal system and your bodily function. And this is something that you can pop into any sort of beverage. You can make a delicious hot chocolate with it. You could pop it into a smoothie. You could pop it into a tea or your coffee even. Some people make like adaptogen coffee drinks, if that's your thing. And there is one ingredient, that's it. Oh, you can even put it in ice cream. You could make like nice cream with this. Ooh, guys, You picking up what I'm putting down? This is from Shaman Shack, by the way. To enter this contest, there are a few rules. First of all, you want to like and follow Veggie Magnifique and Dutch Health Store on Instagram and on Facebook. And you're going to leave a comment below on why you would like this delightful Chaga tonic. So we want to give it to someone who obviously really wants this. And then also we ask you to tag friends. Now you can tag as many people as you want, but just so you know, the more people that you tag, the more times you'll be entered into the contest. So it behooves you to tag all your Chaga loving friends so that they too can have a chance to enter the contest. So thank you so much for watching. If you like videos about healthy vegan skincare, definitely let me know. Of course, I suggest that you check out Dutch Health Store because it's my go-to in Europe. I really appreciate all that Wilma's doing over there to support small businesses as well as natural, organic skincare and just the purest of ingredients, which is super important to me. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content about holistic living and vegan lifestyle. I will see you next week on Veggie Magnifique TV.